Hello guys, good morning. It's another day in our vlogmas. It's almost Christmas time. So today, I'm just wearing Baby River on my muslin blanket. I know everything is pink, but my baby is a boy. He's right here. He likes to be worn. So yesterday we had the lip tie surgery. So I just want to comfort him all throughout, today. Last night, he was a little bit fuzzy and his lips are really swollen. And, but, big improvement guys. Grabe, he latches on very well na. And he feeds regularly. Not like before na he feeds so like erratically.
Hello baby, good morning. Today, I am 17 days old. I had my lip tie surgery. See? It's done na, my lip tie surgery. This is how it looks like now. You see? Ayun. Opo, finish na po. Finish na po. It's done na po. I've recovered very well. My mama took care of me. And she also did my hair today. Do you guys like my hairstyle today? It's a one-sided shark hair. One-sided shark hair from Baby River. Oh. Meow. Meow.
So ngayon, medyo predictable na he feeds around 30 minutes, but non-stop. Dati kasi he would feed, sleep, feed, sleep, feed, sleep, like more 1.5 hours. And ngayon, it's so regular, like every 2 to 3 hours, he will ask for a feed. So today, last night, I fell asleep at 10. John took care of him. And then he woke up at 1. So I fed him at 1. And then he was really fuzzy until 5 in the morning. So we had like 2 feedings from 1 to 5 and 2 different diaper changes. And at around 5, patulog na siya. And yun, I slept for about 30 minutes, 5 o'clock. And then 6 o'clock, gising na naman siya to eat. And then by around 7, binilad ko na siya sa araw. And ngayon, 7, kumain siya. 9, kumain siya. 11, kumain siya. And ngayon, it's like 12 plus. Kakakain niya lang din. Almost 1. So, 11 and, ayun pala, 12, 20. 11, 40. Kakakain niya lang. So, I'm expecting around 1, kainan siya. So, instead of putting him down on his crib, I'm gonna wear him today to give him extra comfort. Kawawa naman kasi baby namin, iyak na iyak yun kagabi. So, ayun. Never mind the face. Walang makeup today. No makeup look. And we're just gonna prepare some. So, for today's menu, we are having tinolang manok with sayotes and malunggay. You know, the power food for breastfeeding. And gusto ko maghimo, Bisaya na ako sa video. Gusto ko gumawa ng what do you call this? Utan Bisaya. Familiar ba kayo sa Utan Bisaya? Comment on the box below. So, I wanna make Utan Bisaya because it's really healthy. Really healthy, gulay dish from Cebu. Basically, you just mix everything, kalabasa, ito, okra, and then also malunggay. And then put sabaw on it, and that's it. Wala siyang lasa, hindi siya savory, hindi siya bland siya. Yun yung kinakain ng matatanda sa Cebu. So, yun, I want those prepared for me kasi kailangan natin mag-super pack ng breastfeeding para kay Baby River. So, ayun. So, now we are doing the lunch inaayos namin yung lunch namin, me and Ren. And this is it for my video, guys, for the lip tie update. One day after the lip tie surgery, I think River is doing pretty well. He is doing well in my baby carrier. Gustong-gusto niya yung malapit sa heartbeat ni mommy, and I like doing this kasi free din yung hands ko to do some chores sa bahay, and yun, I'll be able to do my stuff even with him na carry ko around the carrier. So thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to this channel for good vibes, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!